In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the drum brake self-adjusting kit on this Chevy Silverado. This is going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel, take the center cap off. I'm just going to use a rag just so I don't scratch anything, and a straight blade screwdriver. Get underneath, just pop the cap off. Remove the lug nuts, use a 22mm socket. And take the wheel off. Now I'm going to remove the drum. Just slide it off. If it's still stuck on there, you want to use a hammer and just give it a tap in between the studs. And if it's really stuck on there, you can use some threaded bolts and just push in there, and that's going to release the drum. Pull that off. I'm going to use some locking needle nose pliers just on the spring. I'm going to take the spring off. Set that to the side. We'll take this lever off. We're going to use a pry bar. You want to pry the shoe out. You can grab the adjuster. Pull that past, and it comes right out. Before we put the new adjuster on, we just want to take this apart. Separate that and untwist the screw part where the adjuster is. Put a little anti-seize on the threads so it doesn't seize up. And we can put some on the end. That's good. Screw this back in. And this piece is going to go on. There's a little tab, and you're going to line this piece up. There's a little notch where the tab's going to go, just like that. Then you can see there's two slots right here, a deeper one. The deeper one's going to go towards you. Just going to slide this over. And then on this one, you can see where there's a little area where the spring is going to go. That's going to go towards you as well. So use the pry bar, pry out the shoe. Get that lined up. Make sure that's in the wheel cylinder. That looks good. And this lever is going to go right here. I know I said the spring was going to go there, but it's not the spring, it's the lever. It's going to go there on this side, just like that. And then we're going to take the spring, attach that over there. The needle nose locking pliers, and then attach this to the lever just like that. Just make sure the lever goes over the adjuster right there. Now you're going to have to adjust it. You can use a straight blade screwdriver, or they have a adjusting spoon that you can use, and just twist this. On this side, as you twist it up, it's going to spread it apart. And then if you have to loosen it, you want to pull this lever out a little bit and then go the opposite. Push this down. it seems like it's just barely touching. It's about where we want it. Maybe I'll just give it one more. There we go, just lightly touching. That's good. Now we can install the wheel. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Then I'll just go around again, double check. Take the center cap. On the back side, there's an area where you can see the valve stem, little keyway right there. Get that lined up with the valve stem. Lock that down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.